to number 12. Now number 12 is the most expensive and the biggest. It's £3 and it's this big wall hanging tree, which can't be very difficult. So let's hope we don't go the way of projects 9 and 11. Looking at these and reviewing these as people who don't normally craft, who haven't got a room full of materials, who have no expertise, but just want to do some fun Christmas crafting with their kids. And for that reason, a couple of these projects are just not suitable. You would have to buy other things to make it happen, or you just have to, the quality just isn't there in terms of really making it a viable project. Now for this one then, I think what we're going to do, I think we're just going to be literally sticking things on. It says there's felt glitter, Eva sticker ribbon. So I'm assuming we just follow this pattern here that's on the label, and we just start off. The bow is obviously going to go through, the ribbon is going to go through the top, and that's going to make our hanging mechanism. So there's a hole at the top, but it's not really, you need to push it through with something, I think. It's a bit small to, yeah. So I'll start off by doing that and just tie my thing at the top, because then this can hang on a wall. This is probably a good project for younger children who aren't as dexterous, who just love sticking things down. And you know, you can either follow the pattern or just let them freestyle it. So, oh look at this, this is just a little kid's dream. These are just, this is a little bow, and if we look on our, you just peel off the back. The backing's quite easy to peel off, and older kids or mum can help a little kid to do this, and if they can't do it themselves, this is a great sort of table project to do whilst, you know, your older kids can keep your younger kids occupied whilst mum's doing dinner or something, or you can sit and do with them. I'm a big fan of all doing it together. And then the berries go there, and then again looking at colours and shapes, it's great for that. These are just baubles and stuff. I mean, you can always, if you've got a little tot who has naps, you know, still, or is it nursery or something, you can get this all ready while they're not around, so that when they are around, I can't see what this is supposed to be that's coming out of here. I think this looks like it's supposed to be a bow. Oh, I think that's the bow that goes over the box. Oh, bugger, that's, I mean, oh, drat, that's come out of there. These are worth just keeping, just to cut little bits out of. But yeah, you could prepare everything, so you could get all this done, all the bits pushed out, or, you know, with older kids, maybe they want to join in and they want to push the bits out themselves. This is like funky foam, but it's much thinner. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by sticking the Merry Christmas on, because I'm not sure where it's supposed to go. I mean, I'm not sure what's there of it. But I suppose the good thing about this is that you can peel it off and try and find the rest of it. So I'm going to put mine just here. And then I'm going to see if I can find the rest of it. It does stick nice, it sticks well. I think that's all of Merry Christmas, but it is a little bit fiddly getting these bits out, I'm not going to lie. It needs to come out. Is that it? Merry Christmas. Oh, I think I put it in the wrong place, but who cares? Right, so let's just start sticking all the bits on, shall we? So the holly berries, the holly is going to go, you're going to peel off the back. Definitely hugely recommend this as an activity. I'm absolutely enjoying myself. I'm loving every minute of this. I'm not even lying. I'm not even going to lie. Look at that. You know what you could do with this, which would be fun for older kids again, is just get them one each and get them racing to finish it off, and you can judge them according to who got theirs in the right place and all that stuff. Oh no, I've nearly finished it. And there we go. So I think that's everything stuck on. So I think I can shake off all the excess glitter if I want to. And look at that, that is lovely. That was far more enjoyable than any of the others, and it's lovely. I love that. It's quite big as well. It's really nice. It's super sparkly. Look at it, everything's sparkling and glittering. It's really lovely and definitely worth £3 of anybody's money. And I think that's a great little project to end my 12 hours of Christmas on, and I just think that's a great one. I'd definitely buy that. And like I said, even for bigger kids, for smaller kids, get everything pushed out first so that they're not getting irate, waiting for things. Get bigger kids to help prepare it for the little kids. Let the little kids just stick things on, let them use their imaginations, let them, I mean, these are dazzling, these glittery things. They're such gorgeous, so bright. And yeah, let your kids go loose. Let them go crazy with it, and really, you know, put the bits and bobs where they want to put them. Take the opportunity to talk about letters and shapes and colours and positioning and things like that. It's so fabulous. Love that.